tenor or lead pan. It has the most notes of any pan, roughly 28. It's the highest pitch in our group, and its job is to play the melody, and it sounds like this. And next, we have an instrument called the double tenor. Very similar to the single tenor in that it plays the melody, but you can see it's split across two drums now. The range is getting lower, and it sounds like this. Then in the second row, we have an instrument called the double second. Very similar to this double tenor, except the job that it does is much different. The double second's main job is to strum, like a guitar player would strum chords. Double seconds do the same thing, and they sound like this. Then next, here we have what are called the cello or guitar pans. There are 3 pans in a set. The notes are even lower. There's fewer notes per drum. Cellos and guitars also can strum, and they can also double a bass line. They sound like this. Then finally, over to your left, in the far back, you can see the full-size barrels. Every drum actually starts like that, but those are the bass pans. So like the first drum had 28 notes. This one only has 3 notes per drum, but there's a set of 6. The bass pans just play the bass line, and they sound like this. But also, a very important element in a steel band, especially when we're talking about styles from Trinidad. Remember, Trinidad is the birthplace of this instrument. The styles of Calypso and Soca, we have something called the engine room. And the engine room is made up of the drum set, congas, cowbells, shakers, all the little stuff you see back there. But the most important instrument in the engine room when we're talking about Calypso and Soca is this right here. And that hunk of metal is called the iron. And that's really just a brake drum from a car. The iron's job is to keep time for the ensemble. In Trinidad, some of these steel bands are 100 people strong. So they'll have 4 or 5 people playing the iron with metal beaters to keep everyone together. So only the most experienced players get to play iron. So here's an example using those instruments.